Hey guys, this week you will be using some new technology, which is really exciting. Rather than write an essay, as I've written in your guidelines for this project, you will be working with a visual presentation that you'll submit via link. The reason that you're doing this instead of an essay is because in your profession, no matter what it is, you're going to be far more likely to need to present something to a group using PowerPoint technology, maybe video editing technology or video presentation, or in the form of an email or a memo or some kind of report. You're far more likely to need to present in those formats rather than in an essay format in your workplace. So I thought it would be useful for you to start some preliminary investigation and use of a free technology or free software online that allows you to record video and presentations and then deliver them via the internet. So what you're going to do this week, as the rest of the content in this section will show you, you're going to learn how to put your research into slide format and then record it using this technology, screencast-o-matic. So that's what we're looking at right now. Actually, my screen is capturing the format or the home page of screencast-o-matic, and actually I'm just kind of moving around here to show you that this frame changes. So I'm actually using the screencast-o-matic technology right now. It's great. So read on, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you all come up with. And I don't want you to be nervous if you've never used this kind of thing before. It's very user-friendly. And if you need help at all, you should definitely do one of two things or both things. Email me. Maybe we can even set up a Zoom meeting if you would like to talk. Sometimes it's easier just to talk, or we can use Skype. Otherwise, you can use Google and try to investigate different ways of using this tutorial or this software technology if you are having trouble with it on your device. Okay. All right. I'm going to leave it at that, and looking forward to seeing what you all come up with. This is a very exciting week and a more challenging type of project, but one that is definitely useful and relevant to all of you, no matter what your major is. Okay? Talk soon.